Hello everyone, now today we're gonna be unboxing this controller, this Xbox Wireless Phantom Magenta limited edition controller. And I originally purchased this controller so that I can, hand it in to my game tester for a game I've been making for the last couple of years. Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by all the poems I wrote for you. They made now, first things first. Okay, really slick box. The design of it. It's great to just open it up with one movement. But the only thing I have to say as a negative thing is that I don't see any, real support of the joysticks of this controller, and I would prefer it to have a different design, such as I'm showing here, older controllers from the Xbox 360 era even, and that do have this, let's say, protective cover, this transparent cover for the controller, that I do think that it's a way better solution for this little box journey, considering that this is an expensive piece of gear. And I am showcasing this here with a completely different controller, even a radio controller for a drone racing quad that I am building, and you can see that it's way better protected. I'm sure that Microsoft has thought of it and that they've even tested it for sure, but it's just that my expectations were different. Now, having said all this, I do believe that this type of controller is one of the best controllers you can buy right now, considering that is one of the last controllers in production for this generation, since the PC industry is basically changing at the moment, and the new consoles in the next coming months are gonna be releasing. So to my eyes, this is gonna be something like the best of the last gen that will give its place in the future for the newcomers, the new things that are coming in the future. The controller looks really nice, and I kind of like this textured thing that they did as a grip from the back side, and I was surprised to see a really nice quality polished connections in the battery department. Now, if you would like to see a review of it, I would be more than happy to do so. I've just ordered a wireless adapter for. Now this is for you. See you on the battlefield. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for listening. Bye bye.